Okay, in this video, I want to show you a configuration for Windows so that you can use Audacity or whatever your audio editor is. We've done this many times. We've never made a video about it, but it came up again the other day when one of our subscribers asked the question, I'm trying to record something on my computer. I don't hear anything, and I'm not able to record. I don't see anything. What's wrong? Well, the settings in Windows, everything is there, but Microsoft in their infinite wisdom turned that stuff off. We have to go turn it on, and I'm going to show you how. So this video is about configuring Windows so that you can record anything you want from whatever you hear into Audacity or whatever your audio editor is you choose. So that's what we're going to show you. And I'm going to do it with this Lenovo Flex 5 laptop. So now we are going to configure Windows. Control panel, sound, and we need to go to recording. And if you notice stereo mix, which is showing, a lot of times in the past we have to right click and show disable devices, which it does. But right now that is showing. I used to have that turned off where you didn't see it. So that's already done. Some of you may still have that. Show disabled devices, show disconnected devices, all that. So stereo mix is what we need. We're going to click on that, right click on it, and enable. Once that is enabled, you will now be able to record with whatever audio program you need. Kind of quick. I don't think we need to go into more details, but once that stereo mix has been enabled, your program will pick it up and you're able to record now into Audacity. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. So I hope that helps. If you got any more questions, we're here to help. Thanks for watching. This is BuilderBot. I'm your host, Gil Boyd. On to the next video, and we are out.